Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your SIP username, password, and domain. Install the Zoiper. exe. Run it as administrator so permissions apply. Once done, allow Zoiper through Windows Firewall and your antivirus and verify that SIP port 5060 and RTP media ports are reachable. Make sure you're on the same network as the PBX and prefer wired Ethernet to reduce NAT complications. These steps shorten troubleshooting and let you move straight to account setup without interruptions. You add a new account. Go to Settings, choose Accounts, then Add and pick SIP. Enter the username, password, and domain exactly as given by your provider. Typos are the top cause of failures. Set transport to UDP initially. If calls fail or encryption is required, switch to TCP or TLS. Once the account is registered, configure stun or manual NAT mapping to handle private IPs, and prioritize codecs like Opus and G711, so audio quality is optimal across. You finish by verifying registration and placing a test call, confirm microphone and speaker selection, and adjust levels. If the call fails, enable diagnostics in Zoiper and capture a SIP trace to see server replies. For one-way audio, check NAT or stun settings and ensure RTP ports are allowed through your firewall or router. Codec mismatches can also cause issues, so align codecs with the provider. If you change settings, restart Zoiper to force a fresh SIP session and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.